Hello, my name is Patrick McDermott and I'm the CEO of DigiTally. DigiTally is a software product that enables food businesses to count, collate and analyse their food gross profit margins and all other non-consumable stock on their site. So why do they need to count their stock? Because these businesses require a count of their stock to generate their number one metric, that is their food gross profit margin. This is a worldwide problem that is valued at over 9 billion euros. The market that DigiTally are looking to target are UK and US food businesses, of which there are 1.1 million of them, and the value of that is over 1 billion euros. By combining a counting app with an online reporting dashboard, it enables food businesses to see all of their information and results on an online dashboard that is simple and intuitive to attain. Using DigiTally is over 70% faster to generate the results, and when working with perishable ingredients, time is of the essence. Our customers include food businesses such as Spar, Londis, Crown Plaza and Abracababra, to name a few. And to date we have 29 customers with over 100 sites throughout Ireland and the UK. And our 2020 sales so far are over 300% above 2019. In February 2020, we secured our second major enterprise client. We now have 2 of the top 3 contract catering firms in the UK. DigiTally is not simply a nice to have, it's a fundamental tool in managing a successful food business. DigiTally has a tiered pricing model depending on the requirements of the organisation. Our marketing will be a combination of online and offline. Online, which is SEO, video case study testimonials and the use of LinkedIn, and offline, which will be a combination of trade shows to complement direct sales. 16 years ago, I started a company called stocktaking.ie that delivers more than 1,600 stock takes to the retail sector in Ireland. A company that has a quality management system to ISO standard and employs a team of 40. Arthur Leonowitz is DigiTally's CTO and co-founder, and he's been developing stock control systems for the past 9 years and is a technical expert in this area. DigiTally is raising 200,000 via Spark crowdfunding for an 11% equity stake. DigiTally are EIIS revenue approved, which means that for every 1,000 euros that's investment, the investor receives back a tax rebate of 400 euros. So the actual investment by the investor is 600 euros. The raised investment will be used to increase our team to sell DigiTally online in an efficient and cost-effective manner. This will ensure continued growth in Ireland, but predominantly to target the 127,000 hospitality businesses in the UK. Here are DigiTally's financials. The monthly recurring revenue will increase to 528,000 by 2023. This will give the company a future valuation of 26 million, giving an excellent return for investors. We believe that we will be acquired by the end of 2024, as this is a sector with substantial mergers and acquisitions activity. Other providers of software to these food businesses, such as point-of-sale companies, tend to be complex, sometimes cumbersome, and require significant amounts of training to operate. That is not helpful in a sector that's prone to high staffing turnover. Securing funds is an important step in ensuring that we capitalise on our first mover advantage. DigiTally is already validated by the market, has over 100 paying sites across Ireland and the UK, has a sales pipeline with over 75,000 sites. We have an excellent team in place and are ready to start selling. As an investor looking for an excellent return, you need to join us on this exciting journey.